Hi guys, welcome to Web Templates. So today we're gonna customize Nexus Pro. So in order to customize this template, you have two options. Here you can add widgets, remove widgets, and here lots of settings that I already made video. So you can watch that video. So you can do all the things here. You have a lot of features, options. So you can do that. Okay. Now comes another option. As you can see here, it's like a theme customizer from here. If you go to theme, there's like customize option. If you click here or theme customizer, in both way you will come here. Okay, so here the some features are there that you can change. For example, you go to advanced, it's a font. If you let's say you want different fonts, you can select. As you can see here, it's changed. Okay, let's say I want this one. Okay, you can choose any font that you like and you can make it like happen. So as you can see that you can change it as you want. Okay, there are many features like fonts, width. As you can see right now the width is around this one. Let's say I will increase around okay, 1200. You can also write directly that how much want you width. Okay, so width, header navigation. As you can see here, if you click here, that become transparent. Okay, remove that. You can choose the color whatever you want. It for background color and this one for color. So you can choose black, you can choose like this. So whatever you want, you can choose color from here. Whatever you like, you can also add the colors, custom colors. So you can do it whatever you want to do. So it's all up to you. Just to decide whatever you want, you can just do that. So apart from that, you get like a footer option. If you go to the footer, also you can change the color, like you can make it, like this way, or you can just do it any way you want. So you can just do these things with live customizer. In future we might add more features, but for right now we have only these features that you can use. After customizing it, you have to click here in the save. Only if you click save, that's gonna save. As you can see, our templates look like this way. If you reload again, it's look like this way. So as you can see, like similar like this. Okay, so you can change that. Let's say day mode, this look good. You can also see the second page. As you can see, second page is simple, images, post. You can change this text, so that's not a problem. And there's a two comment bar, Facebook, discuss. Okay, so you can use that. Whatever bugs it have, we will fix it as soon as possible with the new version, and mostly it works everything well. And that's how you can customize this blogger template with a limited functionality. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.